Any last words to the young black kid out there who wants to be a certain person,
Yeah.
or have a certain dream? What would you like to say?
I would say, I know it's not easy, especially now, the times that we are living in. Everyone wants to be great. Everyone wants to do great. And when you want to be great, obviously there's people who are going to want to talk you down and pull you down. All the time, just know it's always about you. No one is going to walk your path but you. You need to respect yourself, respect the earth esiphila kuwona, and respect the people ohlala nabo. It always comes back. Ngisho ngakuthiwa usukuphi, ukuzehlisa ngathi sonke isikhathi nokuhlonipha ikhona ukubeka endaweni lezi wena ongayicabanga ukuthi ungazobe kuzona. Ngathi sonke isikhathi respect yourself and respect other people. Ngiyabonga.